Affordable, easy, no worries, no stress, no skill required whatsoever. You want a good wig, but an easy wig? I heard you. I need you to know that. I heard you, okay? Don't fret. I have a slew of cousins who are either new to wigs or not new to wigs and just have a certain level that they're comfortable staying on. They're not really interested in advancing as far as their wig skills, none of that stuff. And listen,
I'm not judging her.
I do understand that I have a whole community of cousins that's just like, I just rather have an easy wig. You're not trying to bleach, you're not trying to pluck, you're not trying to tint no lace, you're not trying to cut no lace, you're not trying to do any of that stuff, you're not trying to put glue on it, you're not trying to put spray on it. That's it, that's all, okay? I got you. I got you on top of got you. Okay? Ain't no judgment over here. I know I'll be like, y'all step up y'all wig game. Honey, you don't have to step up nothing. And we have to be okay with that. We have a variety of cousins over here. So I got you. This is probably as easy as it comes as far as wigs. You don't have to worry about lace. You don't have to worry about cutting anything. You don't have to worry about styling anything. You don't have to worry about damage. You're not tinting lace. You're not plucking hairlines. You don't have to worry about quality. You don't have to worry about the fit. You don't have to worry about anything. This wig is from CurlsCurls. This is their most popular crystal wig. It's a machine-made curly hair bang wig. You have no worries. So not only is this their most popular wig, but now it's upgraded. They have added a drawstring for even more fit pleasures. Y'all, it literally does not get any easier than this when it comes to a wig. Don't say I didn't look out for y'all, okay? Because I see y'all out there. Let me just show you. Crystal is a kinky curly wig. One size fits all. And now with the addition of the drawstring, you're not going to have to worry about sizing. I have 20 inches that I'm going to be showing you, but you do have options as far as length goes. So you have that. I've wore the crystal wig before. This is my first time wearing the upgraded crystal wig. It is very comfortable, y'all. This is a very easy wig. I cannot stress that enough. It protects your hairline if you're growing your edges back out, all of the things. There's pro after pro after pro after pro after pro about this wig, big baby, okay? And again, this is from CurlsCurls, so you already know it's very high quality, so you can keep this wig for a very, 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 very long time, okay? So I got you. This is especially for those cousins. Just want an easy wig. That's it. That's all. Elastic with the silicone strips to hold on to the back of that neck. This wig ain't going nowhere. Telling you now. 3 combs, adjustable strap, drawstring, and adjustable elastic. Come on, y'all. Come on. Where this wig going? Nowhere. Nowhere. Look at it. Very soft. Extremely soft, y'all. This is a machine-made wig, which means it's more affordable than the other wigs. No lace, which means it's more affordable than the other wigs. Come on now. Y'all get with me now. You see it, but you're not feeling it. This is super soft. Vacation wig. Come on now. Winter conference. Yes. Come on now. You got a Zoom meeting real quick, swap this on and be through with it. They ain't out here playing with you. As if the crystal wig wasn't already the bomb, and it was. They done put a drawstring on there, honey, which means you can wear this in a ponytail, you can wear it in a half wig, you can wear it in a full wig. You can do it, put your back into it. Watch, I'm gonna just put it on like this without popping the curls and just show you. Hold them, and then you know I'm gonna pop the curls. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Watch what I do.